Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary, one word at a time. Today's word is capricious. It is pronounced capricious, and it's spelt C-A-P-R-I-C-I-O-U-S. Think Capri, like a short trouser, or Capri Sun, and then C-I-O-U-S. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we are here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Capricious means being changeable or unpredictable, often in a way that is not easily controlled. It's a great word to use when you want to talk about something or someone that is not consistent, reliable, or dependable. For example, you could say, the weather is capricious and can change suddenly. Or, she had a capricious sense of style and often changed up her look. The word capricious comes from the Latin word capricus, which means goat-like or fickle, referring to something or someone that is changeable or unpredictable. In the movie The Wizard of Oz, Dorothy meets the wizard, who is portrayed as a capricious and unreliable figure. At first, he presents himself as a giant head with a booming and thundering voice, designed to frighten and disturb his audience. However, he turns out to be a normal and gentle-mannered man. Synonyms for capricious are fickle, changeable, unpredictable, and inconsistent. Antonyms for capricious include consistent, reliable, dependable, and steadfast. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, capricious. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.